Hello everyone, welcome back to all our returning viewers and a big welcome to new subscribers. Today, I'm excited to show you a stunning embroidery design that's both simple and versatile, perfect for adding a personal touch to your clothes. You'll find a downloadable pattern in the description below, so you can easily follow along. For this project, I'm using linen fabric, 6-strand embroidery floss, an embroidery needle, and adding some beads for a bit of sparkle. This design is beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you're just starting out. I'll guide you step by step to help you bring this pattern to life. Watch closely as each stitch builds up to create this beautiful design. Paying close attention to each step will really help. With a few small adjustments, you can customize this design flow to suit your own vision and style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to like, share and subscribe to support our channel and stay updated on new designs. Your engagement helps us bring you more creative and easy to follow embroidery projects. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial inspires you to get creative with your own projects. Whether you're designing for clothing or decor, each stitch is a chance to create something special. Happy stitching, and see you in the next video.